Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards. This is for your relationship, and this for your career situation, guys. Virgos. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance. So that may answer your doubts or give you some clarity in your circumstances, guys, Virgos. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's start with these cards. We have Strength in reverse, Judgment, and King of Cups. So Virgos, you are someone really skilled and talented. You are a very caring and protective person. So with the people you love, with your family or with this person you love, you watch over them, you care for this person and you protect them, and you are really wise and understanding, and that may be the reason people really love the way you are, love to be with you, because you are someone who looks after others, who cares for others. So people simply love to be with you guys. And maybe today you are making some tough decisions, maybe something based on truth, and this decision may be harsh or difficult because it may affect someone really close to you, and it is something based on truth, and you need to forgive yourself for making this choice. Some tough choices are up ahead for you guys, but these choices are not cannot be avoided, and that is the reason you are greatly worried because of this. But it is giving you some new leash of life, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship. It is changing the way things are between you both. So it is some kind of a emotional release you are facing. Maybe you are guys, you are voicing out the things that you wanted to say to this person, but you were not bold enough because you were afraid that this relationship may break, or this person may misunderstand you, and it may take you towards some kind of troubles. But you have found that courage in your heart today to speak what you really intend to. So that may be the reason for this feeling of emotional release in your circumstances today, guys, Virgos. So for your relationship, guys, we have Six of Wands in reverse. So with this card, guys, maybe in your relationship today, just like I said with the previous cards, you have some kind of worries or some kind of fear that what may happen in this relationship. Maybe you had hoped for certain things in this connection, in this love with this person, but maybe the things you said, or it may be the way you behaved, or some kind of, it may be their energy towards this relationship. So something is the reason, or for some difficult choices. So that is causing some kind of a pain or sadness or fear. Maybe you're afraid that this person will leave you guys because you have spoken such things, or you have voiced out what you truly feel from your bottom of your heart. So, and let's see what is the card for your career situation, Virgos. We have Ace of Wands. So some new beginning, something which you love is coming towards you guys. So in your work situation, you are having a prosperous opportunity coming towards you, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, Virgos, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So let's start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, it says time for a nap. So with this card in your circumstances today, guys, in your relationship, maybe this may not be the time for you to make any plans. If you are with the person you love, it is a good time to know yourself, to know the other person, to build that understanding and allow things to flow naturally in this relationship. So beautiful renewal or rejuvenation is taking place all by itself, guys, and patience is the key for your heart's desire right now. So you need to withdraw from action in this relationship and give it rest, for that love and that connection can become more deeper, more refreshed, rejuvenated and more lively today, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So for those who chose the second card, let us see what is the second card. What is the crystal? This is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this is the crystal for you all today. And with this crystal stands for orderliness, clearing clutter. So whatever was bothering you, maybe emotionally or physically, you need to go for that orderliness. So orderliness in your interactions and in your thought about your relationships or interactions with the people you love, people you are close with. So this is the perfect time for yourself to journal about your thoughts and feelings when it comes about people whom you care for, guys. So if any challenging emotions come up, you need to understand that universe is here guiding you today and it wants you to be happy, and you can feel happy, secure that universe's guidance is there in your life. So all you need to do is be aware of the emotions that you feel today towards the people you love, or the thoughts you have towards the people you love, and see whether you need to adjust whether you need to make any changes in your relationship, guys. So that way you are moving towards a perfect understanding and clarity. So you need to think clearly for yourself. So from your side, whatever needs to be done, you need to go for that to improve yourself, improve this relationship, or enhance this relationship. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this Crystal Spirits card, that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this kind of reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.